Kenny got skills. Kenny got skills.
Is that here? Oh my God.
He's scared. He can go his You think he gonna hit his feet? Oh my gosh. There you go. Uh-oh. Don't hit me, kid. Come on. Alright, I see what's wrong. First and foremost, you're holding that joystick the wrong way. But I ain't gonna say nothing. If you wanna hold it, okay. Alright, you got it right. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Stop, stop!
Move back.
Nah, you move back. Press the button. I done hit their toes like 12 times. Come on, why you ain't gonna go the other way? Oh, these kids got no skills. Kaiden got more skills than you, Ka'morra. Nah, Ka'morra, you gotta drive it that way. Don't push it. Let it go. You gonna start running because you're scared? Let it go. Come on, you gotta have those skills in that. Come on. All right, Kaiden, you gonna try. You gonna try, Kaiden. She's not even looking. She's not looking. Look down like a chef. Let's go find Ka'morra. All right, I'm back. Look down like a chef. Let's find Ka'morra. Look what she at. She upset. She don't want to shut up. Look, she upset. Ka'morra! Ka'morra, you upset?
Stop!
You upset?
Stop!
Are you mad? You don't want to take turns? Sharing is caring, Ka'morra. Sharing is caring. Ka'morra. Come on. Ka'morra. Ka'morra. How long are you gonna stay like that? You in timeout? Alright, you time out yourself. You just put yourself in timeout.
I'm gonna stay here and get out.
Come on, Kay. What you got? Why you up there? Why you up there, man? Alright, there you go. Let me help him out. The doors on it. They're gonna put it out here. Yeah, you ready? You wanna come down here? Kaiden, you wanna come down here? Yeah, no, come on. He's scared, he just told too many times. Alright, go ahead. You wanna know how to go backwards? You know how to go forward, huh? Okay, alright, alright. Alright, Dino, that's enough. Say I'm done. Kaiden, say I'm done. Okay, you done. Alright, so let's take a better look at it. Take a closer look. So it's a BMW i8. What can me say about it. It's a BMW i8. So remote control car. These lights, they light up. Front lights light up as well. And then it is 2.4 gigahertz, which means that this remote has to sync up with this car every time you turn it on. So basically what happens is you hit the remote. See, it's turned off right now. There's a little switch in the back. Turn it on. Okay, now it's looking for the car. It's looking to sync with the car. Then you turn the car, the lights hit. Sorry. Lights hit. Stops blinking, that means it connected. So you see the lights light up. Lights light up in the back as well when you're driving, and then it makes a little noise too, like a little car noise. Not that, like this. I think you can hear that. So back here, this is where you put the batteries at. I believe it is 2 AA batteries. How many batteries back here, Ka'morra?
10.
Okay, 9 volts battery. So 1 9 volts battery. And it actually came with this 9 volts battery. This 9 volts battery came with the car. So you don't have to buy a battery for this. You just plug it up. And then basically this is like USB. So pop this open. So one of the things that I recognized is that I was trying to pop this open and it was turned on. If it's turned on, this sits in the middle when it's turned off. If it's turned on, it sits over there, so you can't open it. But if you look inside here, this kind of sucks because I'll tell you why it sucks. But basically, it's a USB. You can plug it up to the computer, or you can plug it up to the wall if you got a little outlet piece that it plugs up to. You can use that from your cell phone or anything like that. But it stays inside of the car. You rip this out, it's over. So one of the things that I hate about this is because you have to actually try to stuff this back inside of here, which is a little bit difficult, especially for a kid. So you see, you can't really close it. You have to stuff it inside of there. Now, an adult, we can figure out how to stuff it inside of here, but for kids, it's kind of difficult to stuff that inside of here. But overall, it's a nice car. You also got the, you can actually do this if you want. This is an option. You also got the option of opening up the doors, and you can drive it around like this. Completely up to you. It's a pretty cool car. BMW i8. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment.